Again, welcome back to this YouTube channel, Myros Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the MTN Benin 5G, 4G, 3G APN settings that can make your internet speed 6 times faster than your actual internet speed right now on MTN Benin. So if you're new on this YouTube channel, consider subscribing, sharing this tutorial to your friend, and then don't forget to drop a like on this YouTube video. So I request you to join the membership, which has 6 peaks, starting from 0.8 USD to about 250 USD, the last level. So let us continue with our tutorial. We are going to come in our phone settings. Then once you open settings, kindly select connections, then mobile networks, after access point names, and then this is how we are going to organize our APN settings for MTN Benin. So press the plus button and then now be more attentive right here, because now the video has just started at this juncture. So the APN name, we're going to use MTN Benin, then 5G. Even if your device is a 4G device, 3G device, 5G device, keep the 5G word on, 5G on your APN name, so that you can be able to access the 5G speeds even on a 3G device. Then after check OK, then the APN put internet. Don't forget to like the tutorial, don't forget to subscribe. The proxy we are going to use, we're going to leave it as it is. The port, we're going to use port 80. Now the username, we're going to leave it as it is. The password, don't tamper with it. Now the server, we're going to put HTTPs, hypertext transmission protocol secure, then www.google.com. Then after check OK, the MMSC, leave it as it is. MMS proxy, don't tamper with it. The MMS port 8080. Now the MCC you're going to use, you're going to use 590. The MNC use 05. Authentication type, leave to none. APN type, put default, just write the word default and then OK. Now APN protocol, IPv4/IPv6, APN roaming protocol, IPv4, IPv6. The bearer, you're going to select all. As I'm doing, make sure that you select all in the bearer and then check OK. The mobile virtual network operator type, kindly set to none. After save those internet settings, they will be able to access if the fastest internet 6 times faster than the internet you are using right now. I mean the internet speeds in quotes. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Myros Tech and I sign out.